He was barely a man in his grandfather's coat, sewn into the lining a 10-shilling note. So goodbye to the family, goodbye to the shore. When a man tastes his fortune, you'll see him no.
Want to know more about this town? We've just launched the Ennis Virtual Tour. Using any device such as phone, tablet or desktop, you can jump into Ennis, and we've made it absolutely free. So now you can discover Irish hidden gems from home. So join me, Ollie, as I virtually guide you around my hometown of Ennis. So why not try out our virtual tour of Ennis now at olliestours.com.